Hi children, welcome to my Navodaya coaching classes. In previous video, I have explained about model of this Navodaya entrance, and now shall we start our joyful class? There will be 3 parts or sections in Navodaya entrance test. In section 1, about mental ability test, section 2 about arithmetic test, and section 3 about language test. Okay, this is a model of Navodaya entrance test. I have explained about this in previous class. I am going to start classes for arithmetic part. Okay children, shall we start our class? And we are going to learn larger numbers firstly. Okay, what is the topic? Larger numbers. We have to learn about number systems before we are learning about larger numbers. There are 2 number systems are there. Come on, say children, how many types of number systems are there? 2 systems are there. What are they? First, Indian system. This is also called Indo-Arabic system. And second one, international system. Indian system is used in our Indian country. International system is most commonly used in a world. Firstly, we will learn about Indian system. Indian system. We will discuss about the Indian system with place value chart. Let us take place value chart. This is called place value chart, which is indicating our Indian system. In this chart, place value names are there. I will say one by one. Firstly, ones, after that tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Children, I will repeat again. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Okay. Here, ones means 1 is there. Tens, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay. How many zeros are there in 10? 1. How many zeros are there in 100? 2. How many zeros are there in 1000? 3. How many zeros are in 10,000? 4. Okay. Next, we will go to lakh. How many zeros in lakh? Okay, very good. 5 zeros. Okay. Then say, how many digits in 1 lakh? Okay, very good. 6 digits. Okay. Next, 10 lakh. In 10 lakh, 6 zeros are there and 7 digits are there. And 1 crore, 7 zeros are there and 8 digits are there. And lastly, in 10 crores, 8 zeros are there and 9 digits are there. This is the place value chart. So children, you remember this. How many zeros are there and how many digits are there in lakh, 10 lakh, crores, 10 crores, like this. Okay, up to 10 crores enough to us. Okay, I will repeat again this place value names. Ones, tens, come and say with me. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Okay children, this is the place value chart of a Indian system. Now we will take a number and we will write the number name of taken number. Example, first I will take the number 5, 2, 7, 6, 8, 4, 3, 9. This is the number. For this number we have to keep first commas. Okay. How? Ones, tens, hundreds, hundreds after comma, thousands, 10,000s after that comma, lakh, 10 lakh after that comma. Okay. So what is the number? You say 5 crore 27 lakh 68,439. Okay, very good. So shall we take the number and distribute the number into this table? In lakhs place 27 is there. In crores place 5 is there, and thousands place 68 is there, and hundreds place 4, tens place 3, and ones place 9. Okay. Shall we write the number name now? Okay, tell me. 5 crore 27 lakh 68,439. This is the number name of a given number. Do you understand, my dear children? Okay, very good. So like this we should write number name to given number. Shall we take a second example? Okay, right. 6, 7, 9, 2, 1, 3, 8, 4, 5. Okay, take the number into given chart or table. Okay, 6, 7, 9, 2, 1, 3, 8, 4, 5. Okay, right. See the table. In crores place 67 is there. In lakhs place 92, and thousands place 13, and 8 in hundreds place, 4 in tens place, and 5 in ones place. So tell me the number name. 67 crore 92 lakh 13,845. This is the number name to given number. Okay. Shall we take another example, children? Okay, right. 7807600005. Okay. Take the number into table. 7807600005. Come on, say children, what is the number in crores place? 78. What is the number in lakhs place? 7. Okay, 7. That means in 10 lakhs place 0 is there, and lakhs place 7 is there. So 7 lakh. Next, what is the number in thousands place? 60. So 60,000. And in hundreds place 0 is there, and in tens place 0 is there. Ones place 5 is there. Okay. So no hundreds, no tens. Okay. So say the number name. 78 crore 7 lakh 60,005. That's much only. I will repeat again. 78 crore 7 lakh 60,005. Okay. My dear children, we have learnt how to write number names to given numbers or digits. Next, let us learn how to write number to given number name. We will discuss this with an example. Okay, example 1. See, what is the number name here? 57 crore 37 lakh 45,825. This is given number name. This is the given number name. 57 crore 37 lakh 45,825. First, we have to divide this number name into some groups. Groups means place value groups. That means crores, lakhs, thousands, and ones, hundreds, like this. We have to divide these number name into groups. First, 57 crore. This is one group. And 37 lakh. This is a group. 45,000. This is a group. And 825. This is a group. Okay. Totally 4 groups are there. After dividing these groups, we have to take place value chart. Okay. See the place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crores, up to 10 crores. Place value names are there and boxes are there. We have to write digits to this number name. First, you take 57 crore. 57 crore. In crores period, 10 crores place, we have to write 5 and crores place 7. 57 crore. Okay. Next, take lakh. 37 lakh. After that, in thousand, we have to write 45. And next, in 100 place, 8. Tens place 2 and ones place 5. Okay. We got digit. 5, 7, 3, 7, 4, 5, 8, 2, 5. That means 57 crore 37 lakh 45,825. So, this is the way to write in digits given number name. Take second example. 60 crore 7 lakh 389. 60 crore 7 lakh 389. This is the number name. So, what should you do, children? Come on, tell me. Okay, we have to divide this number name into groups. Crores, 60 crores and 7 lakh 389. Oh, here no thousands. Okay, so no thousands means we have to keep in thousands place zeros. Okay, take the place value chart. In crores place, we have to write 60. That means 60 crore. And we have to write in lakhs place 7. 7 means not 70. 7. 7 means in 10 lakh place 0 and in lakhs place 7. That means 0, 7. 7 lakh. And no thousands. No thousands means we have to write 0, 0. Next, in hundreds place, we have to write 3. And tens place you take 8 and ones place you take 9. So, here is the digit 60 crore 7 lakh 389. Okay, I am giving 4 numbers to you. Write the number names to those numbers, and you write this homework in your notebook and do practice in your home. Okay, children, not only 4 numbers, you practice more and more numbers, okay, for understand the class and this chapter. In next class we will be learn about international number system. Please follow my videos to prepare for Navodaya. Please share my videos and subscribe my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye children.